Ons gesels nou so lekker en gesels met Anton en ons praat oor mense wat graag finansiering wil hê, maar hulle sukkel om die finansiering te kry want hulle kom by 'n plek en dan wil nie vir hulle finansiering gee nie. En wat is die rede daarvoor?
Toks, as jy afgekeur word vir finansiering soos 'n motorlening of 'n huisverband, dan is dit gewoonlik omdat daar iets op jou kredietprofiel is wat jou blok. Dit kan 'n ou skuld wees of dit kan 'n vonnis wees wat in jou naam is. Dit kan selfs 'n skuldberadingsvlag wees waarvan jy dalk nie eens bewus is nie. As jy afgekeur word vir finansiering, kontak ons by Credit Clear 24. Ons doen vir jou 'n gratis assessering en ons kry jou jongste kredietverslag. En van daar kan ons jou verder adviseer oor wat die beste metode gaan wees om jou kredietrekord te herstel, sodat jy wel kan kwalifiseer vir finansiering in die toekoms.
Well, I'm still talking to Anton Zili from Credit Clear. Anton, when I go and I'm trying to get finance at some places and I find out that I'm not allowed to get finance, what's the reason for that?
Toks, if you are declined for finance, it's usually because there's something on your credit report that's blocking your application. It could be a judgment, it could even be old accounts that's still on your profile. It could also be a debt review flag that you may not be even aware of. So if you are being declined for finance, contact us at Credit Clear 24. We will do a free assessment for you. We will obtain your latest credit report, and from there we can see what the problem is and what's blocking you. And from there we can advise you further. So contact us and we will advise you free of charge.